Hi, my name is Luqman.
And my name is Adila. Today I'd like to introduce you to what we've created. It's the Luqibons Almond French Macaron mix. It is the first French macaron mix in Africa. It's extremely easy to use. All you have to do is add water, color, pop it in the oven, and voila, you have your macarons. What you will find in the macaron box is 250 gram packet of almond mix, a baking sheet, a tracing paper, and a piping bag.
With Luqibons Almond French Macaron Mix, we're going to eliminate all the problems that we have with conventional ways of making macarons. No more grinding almond flour, no more sifting icing sugar and almond flour, no more whipping up egg whites till it's stiff, no more folding in the almonds and the egg whites. This is straightforward and simple. Once it's done mixing, it's perfect and ready to be piped.
Okay, let's make some macarons.
Step 1. Add 50 ml of water. The water should be at room temperature. Step 2. Add in the entire packet of Luqibons Almond French Macaron Mix.
Set your timer to 4 minutes and then mixer on medium.
At 3 minutes, add in a gel or powder color of your choice.
We've added a pink powder color to our macaron mix to get a rose pink macaron shell.
Here is a quick tip on piping. If you have 8mm plain tip nozzle, cut the tip of the bag, put the nozzle in, and use insulation tape or masking tape just to secure it in place. Once that's done, what I usually do is just twist the top and give it a turn up, and then whatever cylindrical object you have at home, here we have a little vase, place the piping bag into the vase, turn over the edges. This makes it easy for you to fill the mix into the bag. Now let's fill the bag. Just give the mix one stir to get all that color through. This is the texture your macaron mix should be. Let's now fill it into our bag. Another tip with your piping bag, twist the end of it and tape it with some masking tape.
Your macaron mixture is now ready to be piped. If you look closely, underneath we have the tracing paper that is provided in the box.
The easiest way to pipe is to go 1 centimeter up, put a little bit of pressure and turn out. So you get the perfect circle in your tracing line. And there we have it. 48 perfect macaron shells. What we need to now do is take out the tracing paper. If you're using a convection oven that has a fan, what you should do is tape the ends with masking tape. Masking tape is a really good tape to use while you're baking because it doesn't burn in the oven. You will now need to leave your macarons to rest for at least 45 minutes for a skin to form so that while you're baking you get the perfect feet. That's what everybody makes macarons for, right? Set your timer at 45 minutes. At 30 minutes, preheat your oven at 135 degrees Celsius.
While the macarons are resting, we are going to do our chocolate ganache for our filling of our macarons. Today we'll be using dark chocolate discs. You can use milk chocolate, white chocolate, whatever you prefer. You're going to need 150 grams of chocolate and you're going to need 125 milliliters of fresh cream. Pour your fresh cream into your pot. Switch your pot on low. Once the cream is heated, you're going to add in your chocolate discs. Using a whisk, stir your chocolate discs into the cream slowly to form your ganache. Place the tray of piped macarons into the oven and set your timer for 16 minutes.
"16 minutes are up and our macaron shells should be done. The perfect macaron shells.
Once you remove your macaron shells from the oven, let them cool for 3 minutes before turning them over.
The ganache that Adila made earlier has now cooled down and we have filled it into a piping bag. Just cut off the end and fill your shells.
And we're done. The perfect French macaron made in the comfort of your own home.